Hey guys, this is the Wildwood 29 BHBS. This is the one that you really like today. So I was going to go over it really quick. We mentioned the storage while you're here. Big storage openings on the outside. You got plenty of storage inside and under the master bed. You're going to have the full awning. You're going to have the two doors outside. We're going to step inside real quick here. This had the entertainment center. They had the TV to when you go to bed or whatever, you can spin this TV, you can pull your pin, spin the TV around, you can watch the news or movie or whatever in the bed at night. It'll have an AM, FM, CD, DVD player also. You got a couch that drops down to a bed. You got the big U-shaped dinette. This drops down and makes a full-size bed. You got the big refrigerator. The sink, it's a residential style sink here, so you got your faucet there. Microwave, cooktop, and oven. Plenty of cupboard space, very deep shelves, and large wardrobe closets here with mirrors. You'll have your cabinetry on the outside here. Inside the bunkhouse, you're going to have cabinetry in the bottom. You're also going to have another full slide out in the bunkhouse. You have the double down and the single top beds. You have your countertop, and as we spoke, you can modify this and put a washer-dryer combo unit in here, which is very popular with this unit. Overhead cabinetry. Here in the bathroom, you're going to have the second door, and then you're going to have your full bathtub and shower, the nice toilet, the lavatory. A lot of people use that second door as what they call a mud room, or in the extreme heat in the summer and winter, the coldness in the winter, they'll actually use that room to come in and out of, so it saves their cabin air, the heating and cooling in the large part of the cabin. So again, this is the Wildwood 29 BHBS. This is the one you really liked. My name is Brian. Give me a call anytime. Direct to my desk is 903-292-0049. Talk to you soon.